Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 of my favorite tools for quickly creating vocabulary games and word games for your students. Now, this video is a compilation of 3 previous videos that I've made on this topic, and we'll be looking at how to use Flippity and EduCandy to make your word games and vocabulary games for students. Let's go ahead and get started with our first game, which comes from Flippity.net. And it's a snowman vocabulary game. Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you one of my favorite templates from Flippity. It's called the snowman template. And since it's snowing outside, I thought I'd make this video. So here it is. It's the Flippity snowman. It's kind of a variation on hangman. And I'll give you a little demo of how it works here. You can see here I have my snowman and I have a field in which I can guess a letter. So let's guess A and see if it pops up. Nope. So the snowman's nose fell off. Let's try E. Nope. I. Okay, good. O. Nope. There we go. And we'll see my snowman is melting. There it is. It's lion. Now, we can go through and we can keep trying those out. But if you want to make your own, go back here and you can get the template from Flippity. And it opens up as a Google spreadsheet. You can sign in with any Google account. It could be a Gmail account or it could be a school-issued Google account. And you will see here we have our game, Snowman, and we can include the words we want. So maybe I'll change this out and I'm going to put in kitten. Maybe I'll give a hint of baby feline. And I can put a hint here. It says sleeps all winter. Maybe I want to take out cat altogether. So let's just go ahead and take out cat and put in something else. Maybe frog. And say jumps around. Now, let's just eliminate all these other ones here for the sake of this demo. And we'll eliminate these. And so my hangman game now just has these, or my snowman game, I should say, now just has these 4 words and the 4 hints. Now let's go here and make sure we've published our spreadsheet. So publish to the web. Click OK. Then go here, get the link, and we'll have a link that we can share with our students to play our Flippity snowman game. Now you'll notice right now I have this little light bulb and I can show that hint to my students, or they can click on that to see the hint. And there, they got it that time. So that's how you can create a Flippity snowman game. Create them for your students, share them with your students, and have fun. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out freetech4teachers.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you a neat new service called EduCandy that you can use to create simple review games or activities for your students. So you'll find it at educandy.com, and you do have to sign up to create an account. You'll have to confirm your account with your email address. But once you've done that, you can go in and create a list of words, a list of matching pairs of words, or quiz questions. Once you've made that list, a set of games will be provided for you. So for example, let's hit words, and we'll write in a list of vocabulary words that my students are studying. So we'll call this vocabulary words 2, and we'll say this is for general knowledge. And now we'll create that list. So let's add a word. Let's say the word is going to be dog. And we'll add another one, mountain, airplane, ocean, and volcano. So I now have my list, and if I want to add more to it, let's just add another one. We'll just go and add another word to that list. Now you'll see that there are a set of games that my students can play based on that list that I gave. So perhaps we'll go in and do word search. Hit the word search button. And it now has a word search. And that word search is available there at that link. But you can also just give your students the code to access all of these games based on that word list. So let's go back to that previous screen. And you'll see all of those activities are on one page. And you can share the activities just by giving students that link or having them use this code at educandy.com. You'll see you can also embed it into your blog post or web page. So I'm going to use that embed code, that activity code. I'll open it up in a new window. So the student will see it this way. They'll have their activity code, paste it in, hit the play button, and now they can pick to do a word search, a hangman, or the anagrams game based on that word list. Now let's go back in and make another activity. And you can see all the other activity options that are available there. Let's hit multiple choice. We'll see a sample multiple choice activity appear here. And we'll see that's how it was played out. Now, if I go into my activities, let's create a list of matching pairs. And we'll create a list of capitals. We'll add another one. And let's add one more in here. And now we'll see there's a set of activities based on that list that I've just created, and the quiz questions work the same way. So let's go in and do quiz questions. We'll call it Fun Trivia. And we'll add in our question type. You do have to have at least 3 questions in order to use the multiple choice activities. And we'll add one more fun trivia question. So I've now added those quiz questions. You can see I can go back and edit those at any time, and we'll see there's our multiple choice trivia activity the students can play, and they'll find it by using that code at educandy.com, or by using the direct link, or by using the embedded version that you place on a website or on a blog post. Now if you hit My Activities, you'll see all the activities that you've made in the past, and you can just hit the play button or the share button at any time when you want to use them. So that's a short overview of EduCandy.com. Nice little service for creating short review games for your students. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out freetechforteachers.com and practicaledtech.com. Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Flippity's spelling words template to create individualized spelling games for your students. Now, to get started, you can go to flippity.net and select Flippity spelling words. Let's take a look at the demo. And we'll choose a list. Now, these are student names. Let's choose Elmo. And these are Elmo's words that he needs to practice spelling. So he has this one here. And now he can go and practice.
Spell Good.
And then we have a quiz mode as well.
Tired. Spell 8, 9 comes. Spell build. Spell 8, apple. Spell pencil. Spell office. Spell group.
And we can see how I did there. And then we have the option for more activities, like doing a matching game, just like your classic memory game. There we go. So now let's go back in and take a look at how to actually make our spelling game. So we can do it one of two ways. We can click on template, and that'll create a template in Google Sheets for us, provided you've signed in to your Google Sheets. Or you can go into a blank Google spreadsheet and use Flippity's Google Sheets add-on and pick a template. And we'll find the spelling words template right there. And let's use that one. Now you might be wondering, why would you do it one way versus the other? If you have access to the add-on, I prefer using the add-on because the updated version of it provides you instantly with the link that your students will use to play the games. If you use the spreadsheet template and make a copy of it, you have an extra step to publish. Here, it's automatically published for you. So now let's change this out. You'll see here our student names. I'm going to change out that student, make that student Max, and we'll give some words for Max to learn, like bark, and woof, and dog, and puppy, cat, kitten. And we'll do one more. So now I have Max's list of words. I want to have Max's results emailed to me directly, so I'll put in my email address. And when Max is done taking the quiz, I'll get a copy of his results emailed to me. You can put in more than one email address up here. So if you want to perhaps include a co-teacher or a student or a student's parent, you can do that as well. So now, for my students to play the game, just go to add-ons, go to Flippity, get our Flippitynet URL, and now we give that URL to the students. Students choose their names from the list. There's the list of words that Max now has to practice. And again, he can practice,
Spell.
quiz,
Cat.
or use one of the additional games based on his individualized word list. So that's how you can create individualized spelling games for your students by using Flippity.net. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out freetech4teachers.com and practicaledtech.com.